Dude, I haven't forgot about this, man. Dude, this is absolutely gonna be intense, dude. So we got the two boys up in here, dude. So we got Dylan versus Chance. So Rage Valkyrie taking on Blizzard Thrasher. So y'all already know, man. It's gonna be absolutely intense. So yeah, y'all already know, man. Let's see how this goes. So yeah, man. Haven't forgot about these battles one bit. Y'all already know, man. So yeah. All right. Here we go. So Blizzard Thrasher taking on Rage Valkyrie. This thing's absolutely a monster. Okay. With the attacks, though, dude, they could go. Yo, it's shutting it down. Okay, Thrasher. Alright, that's one, bro. Chance is putting in work. Alright, Chance is putting in work right now. Alright, that's not looking too good for Rage Valkyrie. Alright, boom. Just gotta be really careful with this ripcord here. Oh, big hit. Dude, even the hops, bro. Oh, big hit, and it gets shut down, man. That is two, man. Even those crazy hops couldn't do anything. Alright. That's two. Maybe the stamina is just not enough, man. Alright. Oh. Alright. Gotta do it. Oh, it's getting pushed back. This is honestly getting pushed back. Okay. Well, alright, that's three. It's honestly, dude, Thrasher's pushing it back. It's honestly pushing it back. Alright, that's kind of funny. Alright. It's kind of funny because it doesn't even have any weight to it. Okay, come on. Come on, big hit, man. Trying to uppercut it. And there it is. Alright. So, I believe that is 3-1 if I'm not mistaken. If I am, then I'm just gonna say it's 3-1. Alright. Boom. It's 3-1. Dylan's not out yet. Big hit. Oh, big hit. And it goes down, man. That's 4-1. Yeah, man. If Dylan goes down here, man, then that's it, man. I think we're both seeing the ceiling of both of these bays' power. So this is probably gonna be the last one that I'm gonna go in order. Then I'm just gonna do the dream battles of both of them. Gonna do the dream battles of both of them. Okay, and it goes down. Alright, that's 5-1. I'm gonna give it like one final chance. Cause yeah, before Dylan had a streak of 4, and I already know, and I know it lost like 2 battles already. Plus this one here. So you already know, man. So yeah, I'm also gonna double check the count after this. Yeah, man. The final one, man. Big hit, doing it up. Roll. Bro, man, it couldn't even do nothing, man. GG's to Chance, bro. W Chance, dude. W Chance, bro. You already know, it couldn't even do nothing. Wow, those little hops I did, I couldn't even do nothing. But anyways, dude, I think we're both seeing, I think we all can agree that we're seeing the ceiling of Natalie and Dylan's power by now, so. Yeah, so just expect, me doing, like, the dream battles, and stuff. For Natalie, got a couple of dream battles for Natalie and got a couple of dream battles for Dylan. So yeah, man. This will probably be the last battle for Natalie and Dylan that I'm gonna go in order with them. Because gonna be doing the dream battles. So like the dream battles that I really want to see with both of them. You already know, man. I might do like one more in like the original order that I put them in, but probably after that, then I'm probably just gonna go off order, because I know before I started doing the faith battles, I know Dylan lost like 4 times, and like I think Dylan lost up against Magma E3 Tour. I believe it lost up against E3 Tour. I gotta double check with both of them, and stuff, man. But anyways, man, Chance takes the win over Dylan, man. Yeah, we're starting to see the ceiling for Natalie and Dylan's power, so just expect me like going out of order and doing a bunch of battles, man, because I got dream battles, man. So yeah, dude, but stay in tune for those dream battles.